Today I am finally trying this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It took me forever, but it's never too late. So in today's video, I'm going to do 3 different methods to apply this. I'm going to do just by itself, under foundation, and also as a highlighter. So to start with, let's apply on this side just by itself. I have nothing on my face. It's bare skin right now. This is how it looks like. Of course, you have seen this by now. And I'm excited because a lot of people love this so much, and I wanted to see how it does on my skin. So first of all, let's do this one here. I like the doe foot on this one. It's quite big, and apply it here. I don't know how much should I put because it's going to be my first time, but maybe that is good enough. I picked the shade medium number 4, and I'm going to apply this one with a sponge right here and see. The shade is pretty good. I think it's perfect. I mean, I could totally use my finger with this, but let's just use a sponge to get faster application. Okay. So that is the first layer that I applied. Looking at on close up and more personal, it's barely there. I would say what it does is just makes my skin dewy. I'm gonna just add a bit more and see. I've been meaning to try this one for a long time, but I don't know why I keep hesitating to get it, but finally today I wanted to try and see. Okay, so that is the result of applying just by itself, and this is my bare skin right here. So as you can notice, it's definitely giving me this like glowy, dewy look on this side, which is perfect. If you are having a day where you just wanted to have like dewy skin and just a little bit of makeup, this would be perfect. I don't mind just wearing this by itself if I want a dewy look, and also just looking like you don't have anything, it's just a glow right there. I could absolutely wear this just by itself. So now I'm going to apply it on this side and see how it works. Then we're gonna put foundation on top. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's blend it. Okay, so the whole face with the product, as you can see, it's definitely looking dewy. So now let's apply the foundation. For today's foundation, I will be using this Stay Naked. This is a matte finish. So we are going to see if this product really makes a difference under it and see how it goes. I decided to use a matte finish because I wanted to see how effective it is if you just want that like slightly natural glow peeking through. I'm probably gonna use 1.5 pump and see. So let's apply it here. Okay, so that is how it looks like under the foundation, and if you try to compare on this side, it is an absolutely glowing skin, but looking at this more personal and close up, I can definitely see this like natural glow peeking through compared to this side, which is more glowy. And this foundation, it is a matte finish. I have worn this a few times and actually really like this foundation. Alright, nice and close up, and that natural glow that my skin is getting right now is everything, and I'm so 100% sure that this product is worth the hype, and I'm so mad at myself. Why am I just getting it right now? Why now, right? So take a look at it. It's so beautiful. I really like it. So now let me just apply this one as a highlighter and see how it reacts. I'm gonna get you closer so you guys can see the actual texture of this product. So let me just apply it here. And of course, I'm also gonna use just a sponge. Let's see. Okay, so I did apply it here, and you can see it's definitely glowing skin. Let me just finish this and see. Alright, that is how it looks like on top of the foundation. If you look here, a little bit here and here, it is definitely giving me that like glowy and dewiness on my skin back, but my only concern is it might just make my foundation more oily later. So I think I would prefer it just to apply under foundation, and the glow that I'm getting from applying that way is enough for me. But it's up to you, because if you want something like this, you can go ahead, and I don't think it also disturbed my foundation. So it's a really good product, and yes, I'm pretty happy and I'm so glad I have it right now. I will use it a lot more. So take a look at it and observe how it looks like one more time. And yes, so that is everything. So far, so good. I'm really happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it is a short one, but I really wanted you to show that and to show you the different types of method of applying this product in case you don't know yet. So I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Click the notification bell so that you are updated whenever I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!